The U.S. Department of State has initiated a comprehensive international effort to address a prevalent form of visa misrepresentation associated with so-called birth tourism. This initiative, coordinated in collaboration with partner agencies worldwide, has led to the cancellation of hundreds of visas. According to Department spokesperson Tommy Pigott, the actions align with directives from the administration of President Donald Trump, aiming to curtail the practice of individuals traveling to the United States primarily to give birth so that their child may acquire U.S. citizenship. Birth tourism has been linked to schemes in which visa applicants either disguise or misstate the true purpose of their visit, often applying for standard visitor visas while intending to give birth in the United States. The acquisition of citizenship by birth can subsequently create pathways for family-based immigration processes, including petitions that may be filed by the child upon reaching adulthood. The proliferation of birth tourism has, in some cases, resulted in the emergence of commercial enterprises that facilitate these activities, sometimes explicitly advertising services to arrange visa applications and circumvent U.S. immigration laws. Pigott noted that identifying such activities is the critical first step. U.S. consular officers, in cooperation with international stakeholders and law enforcement, analyze applicant trends and travel patterns to detect potential networks. Upon identification, the department takes measures such as the revocation of involved visas to disrupt these operations. Earlier this month, the State Department announced the establishment of a specialized birth tourism and prevention task force. This body is tasked with monitoring and investigating travel behaviors suggestive of birth tourism in real time. In one notable instance, authorities identified irregular travel patterns involving a visitor whose partner frequently entered the country during the late stages of her pregnancy. These indications prompted visa revocation after officials determined that the actions were consistent with birth tourism. Pigott illustrated the extent of these networks through examples of fraudulent advertising, where services were promoted using language suggestive of guaranteed citizenship under the pretense of offering medical assistance. Further investigation revealed that these operations often advise clients on strategies to evade payment for medical services, thus shifting financial burdens onto American taxpayers. Since its formal launch on August 12, the Birth Tourism and Prevention Task Force has already resulted in the revocation of over 750 visas connected to suspected birth tourism. The Department of State anticipates a substantial increase in enforcement actions as monitoring efforts continue. Pigott emphasized that strong visa security remains an integral component of national border and immigration policy, while also contrasting approaches between successive presidential administrations regarding legal immigration enforcement and border management. Want to make sure you never miss our latest videos? Tap that follow button right now. If our content brought a smile to your face, made you think, or taught you something new, please like this video and share with your friends and family. Your support helps our community grow, and sharing the love only takes a second. Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.